Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically enable auto captions on Instagram. So whenever you want to watch a video and they're talking, there are no captions, you can enable auto generated captions on Instagram. So if you head over to the three lines on your profile page, scroll until you find the accessibility. I'm not sure if it's here. Okay, it is under your app and media. Then there's an accessibility tab. You're going to select that. Then you're going to hit the captions button and you're going to enable captions. And here you can't really change the language because I think it's only in English. It is auto generated, but that's how you can auto generate captions. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!